What if I told you the biggest hidden risk in off-grid energy systems isn't losing power, bad solar input, or even battery degradation? It's fire safety in battery banks, because when it goes wrong, it doesn't fail quietly. It fails fast, hot, and in a way that can take your entire system with it. That's why understanding fire safety for battery banks isn't optional. It's a core part of designing any serious off-grid system, whether you're running a small cabin setup or a full-scale energy storage system. At the beginning, you need to understand what actually causes battery fires. In modern systems, especially lithium-based setups, fire risk is not random. It comes from a few predictable failure points: thermal runaway, electrical short circuits, overcharging, physical damage, manufacturing defects, and poor system design. Let's start with the most important concept: thermal runaway. This is the chain reaction where a battery cell overheats, which triggers more heat, which then accelerates into uncontrollable temperature rise. Once thermal runaway starts, it can spread from cell to cell inside a battery pack. Then you have electrical faults. These happen when wiring is undersized, terminals are loose, or insulation is damaged. Even a small resistance point can generate heat that builds up until it becomes a fire risk. System design also plays a huge role. Insufficient spacing, lack of ventilation, and missing protection systems are recipes for disaster. A well-designed system treats fire safety as part of the structure, not an afterthought. This is where battery management systems, BMS, become critical. A properly functioning BMS monitors cell voltage and temperature and is supposed to shut the system down before damage escalates. Fire safety in battery banks is not about reacting to failure. It's about preventing the conditions that allow failure to start in the first place. That means correct sizing, proper wiring, and a stable thermal environment. Because every battery system eventually faces stress, fire safety determines whether that stress remains manageable or becomes catastrophic. Most battery fires are not accidents. They are the final result of small design mistakes that were ignored for too long. I just released a deep breakdown of battery safety and off-grid design. Head over to my YouTube channel, Off Grid Life Tech, to watch the full video.